Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful tricolor white 2016 Hyundai Genesis sedan. This is 3.8 H-Trac Genesis, and this was just before they switched it to just being Genesis only. It's still a Genesis, but when we put it in our internal designation, it still comes up as Hyundai as well. But powered by the GDI engine. Really nice, powerful, long-lasting motor. Great condition on this one. 3.8 on that, and has such a nice presence. It kind of has like S-Class Mercedes kind of vibe up front, and really nice LED DRLs that nice individually lit, and then they got full LED lights throughout the vehicle, and then you have the rain sensing wipers. You also get the headlight cleaners, the larger wheels, wrapped in all Michelin tires, Pilot Sport all seasons all the way around. So you get that nice large tire. These are, I believe, 18s, yeah. So you get that nice 18-inch tire there. It looks really good. Then keyless smart entry throughout. You got all the four-wheel disc brakes, and then this one, it has ultra low mileage at 48,000 miles original. And then comes with a full leather interior, smoke and pet free. Just absolutely stunning on the inside. Total opulence, and that's what they were going for with Genesis. They were kind of breaking away from the Hyundai brand and kind of getting it more neutral to their luxury brand. So you get that nice clock there. You get dual climate controls. You get CD player, HD radio, XM satellite, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So you get all the apps, and then also get Bluetooth connectivity, of course, cup holders, auxiliary USB connectivity. You also get dual ventilated seats, dual heated front seats, heated steering wheel, multiple drive modes, and then got plenty of center console storage space there. You get a full panoramic sunroof, and that opens up the shades completely. And then you get these nice LED room lights, so that's really good. That Blue Link SOS system, auto dimming rearview mirror, home link, compass in the rearview mirror. You get the Lexicon sound system, all automatic windows up and down, and then power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, trunk. You get the blind spot detection, the power folding mirrors, the nice privacy shades on the rear of the passenger doors. You get rear AC, full floor mat support, and then you get this nice large console here, and then that's got dual heated seats in there, and then you can also control the rear sunshade from back here, and then it even gives you the pass through to the trunk. So, you know, nice opulence there out of the that rear fold down armrest. I mean, looking down the side, no dings, dents, scratches. I mean, just absolute perfection. Dual exit exhaust. Everything is just so clean, above and beyond with this. This is showroom quality. I mean, look at the size of that battery. Absolutely stunning AGM battery there. It comes with a spare tire, tools, jack, everything included. H-Trac 3.8. I mean, this thing gets up and goes. You got power, you got luxury, you got that nice two-tone all-glass roof. Just, what more could you ask for? This is S-Class Lexus LS category caliber vehicle, and then you get those nice power foldings there, as you can see that, and then you got blind spot detection throughout, dual memory seat functions, all your automatic windows, little looseness here on the trim panel down below, but so minor in the grand scheme of everything else. And there are power sunshade, blind spot, interior illumination. You get paddle shifters. There's the 48,000 original miles, just such a beautiful mileage. Automatic front headlights, fog lights, interval front wipers, and then you got that auto setting there. Leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, volume control, Bluetooth. You got that nice large screen, and then that functions great. And both the mirrors fold down on either side as you're backing up, so that's again a nice luxury feature there. So we got those dual vanity mirrors, and then they even give you that nice little chrome surround around the interior illumination for that LED light. And then you got that full pano roof, opens up nicely, so that whole glass opens up, you know, for that really, really nice. I mean, look at that. The entire roof is open right now, and then we close those shades, and then they come together towards the center. Very, very nice design. Beautiful, perfectly functioning. Stereo works beautifully, navigation system, Apple CarPlay support, Android Auto. I mean, what are we still doing here? Let's come down and buy this thing. This is one of the nicest Genesis Hyundais that we've seen. And you get that 48,000 tasty mileage, this beautiful service history on this vehicle, the beautiful tri-coat color, the Michelin tires. I mean, this has got the full package, folks. So if you're looking for opulence, you're looking for low mileage, you're looking for reliability, look no further than this beautiful 2016 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 H-Trac sedan that you can find exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our vehicles because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.